Be glad YouTube doesn't have smell, because I think I'm starting up whatever glue they use to laminate this thing, and it's nasty. Well, the time has come to flatten the bench. This is just a cheap bench made out of finger jointed oak. The good part about that is it was perfectly flat for years. Unfortunately, it got damp during my last move. So, let's flatten it out. Brushed up the edge on the plane. Got a little oil rag here. Set the depth. Get to work. Now I'm going to divide the table into quadrants here. It's only 5 foot long. Well, that's easier. And I'm just going to use the edge of my plane as a straight edge. See where the high spots are. It's like 33 degrees outside. I got no heater in here, and I'm dripping with sweat. So I've got it flattened pretty darn well now. Notice there's a little bit of tear out in a few spots, and the temptation is to break out the smoothing plane and make it all pretty and shiny. However, this is a workbench. Its sole purpose is to hold stuff. So, I'm going to put this back away and break out some really coarse sandpaper. This was a tip I saw on the Worth Effort YouTube channel, and the idea is to give the wood a little bit of tooth. So, let's do that. Get all the dust off of here with a microfiber cloth. And finally, we'll finish off with some boiled linseed oil to protect it from moisture. Oh, that's really soaking it up. Finished product. So I got this slick piece of maple, and I kind of slid it around on here to see if it grabbed better. Slides super easy. I thought, oh no, I've created a problem by having all those high points. It doesn't touch for very many spots. However, if I put just a little bit of down pressure on it, I can't move it without hooking my fingertips. It just sticks. So I'd say this is a big success. Thanks for watching.